Welcome students, we are going to see questions from week 5 tutorial today. So this is the first question of week 5 tutorial. It is having two sub questions. So first of all we'll see the information given in question 1. Let x be a uniform random variable between range 3 and 4. So let y given x equals to 3 be a normal 0, 9 distribution, and y given x equals to 4 is a normal 0, 16 distribution. So here if you see, y given x equals to 3 is normal 0, 9, right? So here this is mu equals to 0, and this is sigma square equals to 9. Similarly here this is mu and this is sigma square. So given the uniform distribution of x, the value of y is normal. When x takes value 3, then the distribution y given x equals to 3 is a normal 0, 9, and when x equals to 4, then y given x equals to 4 is a normal distribution between 0 and 60. So we have to answer this question, find the distribution of y. So we have given that in the question, y given x equals to 3, it is given y equals to 3 is a normal distribution with mean equals to 0 and sigma square equals to 9. Okay, so fy given x equals to 3 of y is equals to 1 upon root 2 pi sigma. So this is sigma square equals to 9, then sigma is equals to 3. So 1 upon root 2 pi into 3 into e to the power minus, in the numerator y minus 0 square divided by 2 into sigma square, which is 9. Okay, so this is the distribution, or we can write again here 1 upon 3 root 2 pi into e to the power minus y square by 18. Similarly, we have given that when y is equals to x equals to 4, given that x equals to 4, the distribution of y is normal 0, 16. So we can write here fy of x equals to fy given x equals to 4 of y is equals to 1 upon root 2 pi into 4, since this is sigma square, into e to the power minus y minus 0 whole square into 2 into sigma square, which is 16. So this is, again we can write it as 4 into root 2 pi e to the power minus y square by 32. So this is the information given in the question. To find the distribution of y here, that means we have to find the marginal density of y. So how can we find that? So we can find it by using the this formula. So if y given x equals to 3 of y into the marginal density of x at 3 plus fy of fy given x equals to 4 of y into marginal density for x. Okay, we know from here that fy given x equals to 3 of y is nothing but 1 upon 3 root 2 pi into e to the power minus y square by 18 into what is marginal density at x equals to 3. So we know that x is uniform in 3, 4. That means fx of 3 is 1 by 2, right? This probability is half and this probability is half, since it is uniform, plus fy given x equals to 4 of y is 1 upon 4 root 2 pi into e to the power minus y square by 32 into 1 by 2. So what values we can take common? We'll take all those values common and write it down the answer. So we can take 1 by 2 common, also root 2 pi common from here. So inside bracket it will be 1 by 3 into e to the power minus y square by 18 plus 1 by 4 into e to the power minus y square by 32. So this is the distribution of y. Now the second sub question of question number 1 is find the value of fx given y equals to 2 of 3. So we have to find the value of fx given y equals to 2 of 3. So how can we find this value? We know that fx given y equals to small y of x is, we can write in terms of conditional probability here. So we can write fx of x, this is the marginal density for x, into fy given x equals to x of small y divided by fy of y, right? We can write in this fashion. This conditional probability we can write in this fashion, correct? Now we'll use this formula to solve this question. So you have to find fx given y equals to 2 of 3. So substituting the values of, so by substituting the values of x and y here in this formula, we can write fx of 3 into fy given x equals to 3 of 2 divided by fy of 2. Now we know fx of 3 is 1 by 2 into fy given x equals to 3. So this is the normal distribution where y takes value equals to 2, right? We know from the given information. So how can we write here? 1 upon root 2 pi into 3, because sigma square is 9 for this. So fx 1 upon root 2 pi into 3 into e to the power minus, now here y is 2, right? 2 minus 0 square divided by 2 sigma square, which is 18, correct? And this is the marginal density for y, and we have already found out in the previous sub question what is the fy of y. We have already found out what is fy of y. So this is 1 upon, I'll write it here, fy of y. So fy of y is nothing but 1 upon 2 root 2 pi in the bracket 1 upon 3 e to the power minus y square by 18 plus 1 upon 4 into e to the power minus y square by 32. By substituting the value of y, which is equals to 2 here in this equation, so how can we write the marginal here? Fy of 2, it is equals to 1 upon 2 into root 2 pi into 1 upon 3 e to the power minus 2 square is 4 by 18 plus 1 upon 4 e to the power minus 4 by 32. So just substituting this value of fy of 2 in the denominator, we can write here, we can write 1 upon root 2 pi into 2, like it's 1 by 2 into 1 by 3 e to the power minus 4 by 18, we can write as 2 by 9 plus 1 by 4 into e to the power minus 4 by 32, we can write 1 upon 8. Okay, so this term it will get cancelled here, so we'll left with in the numerator 1 by 3 e to the power minus 4 by 18, which is nothing but 2 by 9 divided by 1 by 3 e to the power minus 2 by 9 plus 1 by 4 e to the power minus 1 by 8. So this is the value for fx given y equals to 2 of 3. So this should be the answer.